6 days, 6 prices. One simple question. When do you buy and when do you sell to walk away with the biggest possible profit? Try every pair of days and you're checking all of this. That's on the order of n squared comparisons. But there's a much smarter one-pass idea hiding in plain sight. This is where our stocks module begins. Buy one, sell one, solve in a single pass. It's also the warm-up that quietly motivates the state machine powering every other problem in this module. Here's the setup. You're given an array of prices, where prices of I is the price on day I. You may buy on one day and sell on a later day, at most once. Your goal? Maximize profit. If no profit is possible, return 0. Take this array 7, 1, 5, 3, 6, 4, buy at 1, sell at 6, and you pocket a profit of 5. That's the best you can do here. The insight: for every day, the best possible sale is today's price minus the cheapest price you've seen so far. So we sweep left to right, tracking the running minimum and the best profit found against it. Here's the whole algorithm in 4 lines of C++. We track min price, starting at infinity, and best, starting at 0. For every price, min price becomes the smaller of itself, and today's price, the cheapest buy so far. Then best becomes the larger of itself, and price minus min price, the best sale today. After the sweep, best holds the answer. One sweep, one array, no extra memory. Time, O of n. Space, O of 1. But here's the catch. The moment we allow more than one transaction, cheapest so far versus today breaks down. We need one more bit of information. Am I currently holding a stock? That single bit becomes a DP state, the foundation for everything else in this module. 2 traps to avoid. Don't let a sell happen before its buy. The running minimum naturally prevents that. And never return a negative profit, clamp it to 0. So one transaction is a one-pass scan. But hold on to the question it raises. Am I holding a stock right now? Because that question is the seed for every algorithm still ahead in this module. Next up, unlimited buys and sells. Time to introduce the holding state DP. Stock, the second. Before you go, 3 challenges. Warm up. Find the max profit by hand for 2 short arrays. Core. Also return which day you bought and which day you sold. Stretch. Solve it with the holding state DP we just teased and confirm you get the same answer. See you in the next video.